and welcome to this episode of National Geographic. Today, we're looking at monarch butterflies and trying to figure out what the different issues are causing their decline. In the end, we're going to look at different ways that we can bring their population back up. We are out here hoping to see a monarch, and oh, there's one there. One of the things affecting them is climate change. Monarch butterflies migrate long distances, but higher temperatures can drive the summer breeding spots farther north, which then makes the migration routes longer and more challenging. Another issue with the rising levels of CO2 actually affects the larvae of the monarchs. Rising CO2 levels can make the plant toxic to the butterflies. The milkweed plant, which is the only plant that they will eat. And as you see here, this young caterpillar has died from eating the milkweed. Here in the Midwest, monarchs stop to rest and refuel, but with a decline in native nectar plants and milkweed, the butterflies may struggle to find food. This habitat loss is caused by farmland. And as you see here, this poor butterfly got too tired and could no longer carry on its migration. My proposal is to use the Maryville land as a native butterfly garden. There are issues with using non-native milkweed, such as the Mexican plant is too toxic for the butterflies and usually causes death in the caterpillars. The native garden will also be a good spot for other native pollinators like bees and other species of butterfly. Using native plants is a good way to ensure that the plants get the proper nutrients and the environment that they need to grow. In this picture, there's zinnias, which I have in my backyard and I know attract a wide variety of butterflies, such as the eastern tiger swallowtail and monarchs. To make the butterfly garden, we would first need to go to the spot and note the different species of butterflies and insects in the area. Then we could pick the plants according to their needs. There also should be a small source of water for the butterflies. This butterfly garden would be a type of reconciliation ecology, which is creating habitat in urban settings. In the book, one of the examples was planting pollinator gardens around solar panels. This way, the pollinators had more habitat in an area where there was nothing previously besides solar panels. There are a couple issues affecting the population sizes of monarch butterflies. The two we talked about in this video being habitat loss and climate change. This butterfly garden, though small, could help the population sizes of the butterflies in our area.